What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from today's title and thumbnail, I am going to be showing you what my at-home spa day looks like. So if you're interested in seeing how I take the moment to relax and get myself together, make sure to keep watching. So today I'm going to be starting with my face, and I am using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Scrub, and I absolutely love this stuff. You have seen this before in my previous videos, but this stuff actually does exactly what it says. I feel very clean and very bright when I'm done with it. The good thing about this face scrub is that it is not like super grainy, so it doesn't hurt to scrub your face, and it just takes away all of the impurities off the skin. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my hand and some warm water just to go ahead and just wipe everything away. I do use a paper towel to dry my face when I'm done. So now that I've lifted the surface dirt off of my face, I do like to go in with boiling hot water to steam my face and to get my pores nice and open. I am going to be adding in a little bit of eucalyptus and rose oil into the water just to add another calming and soothing effect. So after the water has been prepared, I just go ahead and place a towel over my head to allow that steam just to really get in and get into my skin. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, I just go ahead and take everything off, and as you can tell, my skin looks like butter. To further remove impurities from my skin, I'm going to go ahead with a charcoal face scrub that I made at home. If you are interested in seeing what I used to make this face scrub, just leave a comment down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this and then just rinse it all off again. Actually, I'm using cool water this time. So after I finish washing my face, I go ahead and use this Witch Hazel toner. Toner is really good as it helps take away all of the existing dirt and grime from your pores, and it also helps your skin's pH level, and it just kind of helps out your skin tone, smooths your skin. It's pretty good to use a toner. Alright, so now I'm going to focus on my teeth, and I am using activated charcoal toothpaste. To do this, I will not gross you out because it does not look very appealing, but this does really improve your teeth as it takes away everything that is sitting on top of your teeth. So I really do like this activated charcoal toothpaste. Your teeth are definitely clean after you use this. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my skin. I'm using this Walmart brand Pond's moisturizer, which works just as good. I do have the Pond's as well, and honestly I don't notice the difference. But I do go ahead and use this as I absolutely love how this makes my skin feel, and this moisture does last all day. Okay, so now that my face is done, I do go ahead and start my bath. I like a nice hot bath. I do add in a bath bomb for color and because it really softens my skin. And then I also just go ahead and add in as well some Dr. Teal's Calm Your Mind bubble bath. And this stuff actually does really relax you. Okay, so I do add in these little rose or flower shaped soap petals. And I add my candles. Of course, have to have my candles to set the mood. And nothing to me is more relaxing than having your candles and your good smells going on at bath time. Okay, so while I'm actually in the tub, I do like to just maybe watch a video or show or a few things. I do spend about a good hour in here, so I do keep my phone pretty close by. Okay, so once it gets too cold or I'm wrinkly, it's time to get out. Following my bath, I do go ahead and do a shower. I use this hemp body scrub just to further cleanse my skin. And once I've thoroughly scrubbed my skin, I go in with my Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash. This is the icing on the cake, y'all. Rinse it off and it's time to get out. And of course, to moisturize my skin when I'm done, I am using this Eucalyptus Body Butter by Erin and Mahogany Body Essentials, which as always will be linked down below. This stuff, I absolutely love it. This is actually an old one that I just found, but I do go ahead and cover my body with this stuff. Okay, so once I am thoroughly moisturized, I slip on my robe, of course, with my glass of wine to end off my spa day. Of course, I am Netflix and chilling. Don't know what I'll be watching, of course, but that is the end of what I do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.